This topic is about the ignition system. The ignition system in a vehicle is a mechanism that generates a spark to ignite the air-fuel mixture in the engine's combustion chamber. Ignition system only found in gasoline engines where it produces spark and it ignites the fuel-air mixture. It produces and delivers a high-voltage spark at the right time, ensuring the efficient combustion for the engine to run smoothly. Like I said earlier, it produces spark and also ensuring the correct timing of combustion. The ignition system's primary purpose is to start the engine, maintain consistent power delivery, and optimize fuel efficiency while reducing emissions. With the ignition process of the ignition system, it combusts the air-fuel mixture, resulting of the engine's mechanical motion.
Hot tubes ignition, 1980s. Early engine used for heated tubes for ignition. Magneto system, 1880s. Generated electricity independently for spark plugs. Battery coil system, introduced by Charles Kettering. Used battery and distributors for reliable ignition. Electronic ignition, replaced mechanical parts with transistor for better precision.
In 1980s, distributorless systems used coiled packs for more reliable and efficient operation. In 1990s, coil-on-plug systems mounted coils directly on spark plugs, improving performance.
Everyone, and today we're going to discuss ignition system. So there are parts and functions of the ignition system. The first part is battery. Battery supplies electrical power to the ignition system. Ignition switch. The ignition switch controls the flow of electricity to start or stop the engine. Resistor. The resistor limits current to protect the ignition coil and points. Ignition coil. It converts low battery voltage to high voltage for spark generation. Points. Interrupt the primary circuit to induce high voltage in the ignition coil.
6. Rotor distributes high voltage to correct spark plug via the distributor cap. Distributor housing protects and aligns ignition's component while ensuring proper timing. Distributor cap. It protects the internal components of the distributor such as the rotor and contact points from dirt, moisture, and contaminants. And the last part, spark plug produces a spark to ignite the air fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. And that's all. Thank you.
The basic construction of ignition system. The ignition system is an internal combustion engine that is responsible for igniting the air fuel mixture inside the engine cylinders. Here are the components of an ignition system. Number 1. Battery. It provides electrical power to the ignition system. 2. Ignition coil. It transforms the battery's low voltage, 12 volts, into a high voltage, thousands of volts, necessary to create a spark. Number 3. Distributor. Directs the high voltage current to the correct cylinder at the right time. Number 4. Spark plug. It creates the spark that ignites the air fuel mixture in the cylinder. Number 5. Point and condenser. Used to control the timing of the spark and protect the ignition coil. And lastly, number 6. Ignition switch. It activates a system when the vehicle is turned on. In modern vehicles, electronic ignition systems have already largely replaced mechanical distributors and points, utilizing sensor and control units such as the engine control unit or ECU to optimize timing and efficiency. Thank you.
Coil-on-plug, COP.
Ignition system is a modern ignition system that places in an ignition coil on the top of the spark plug in a cylinder. Distributor-less ignition system (DIS) is an ignition system that fires spark plugs directly from the coils instead of using a distributor to route the electricity from the ignition coil to the spark plugs.
Conventional breaker point ignition system. A conventional breaker point ignition system is an automotive ignition system is divided into two electrical circuits, the primary and the secondary circuit. The primary circuit carries low voltage. This circuit operates only on battery current and is controlled by the breaker point and the ignition switch. Electronic ignition system. The electronic ignition system modernized engines by replacing traditional mechanical points with solid-state electronics. It precisely controls sparks, timing, and it generates high-voltage sparks for fuel ignition, enhancing fuel efficiency and reducing maintenance.
Imagine the engine as a giant powerful heart, and the ignition system is an electrical pulse. It starts with the spark plug, which are like tiny super hot candles that ignites the fuel in the engine cylinder. The distributor is like the rotating switch that sends the spark to the right cylinder at the right time, making sure each cylinder gets its burst of energy. Now, the ignition coil is the powerhouse, taking the battery's power and boosting it into a super high voltage spark. The computer or the engine control unit or ECU is the brain of the operation. It tells the distributor when to send the spark, making sure everything happens in perfect timing. It's like a coordinated dance, with each spark igniting the fuel and creating an explosion that pushes the piston and turns the engine.
Good morning, everyone. Now that we have the idea of how the ignition system works, where the battery basically transfer current to spark plugs for ignition by also running through different parts. We also have other concepts that are connected to it. The charging system, where the transferring of energy or current to support and power the vehicle. It also has different parts such as battery, alternator, and voltage regulator. In conclusion, each energy transfer is necessary to power every part that is needed to run your vehicle and give the driver a better experience.